welcome to part 2, and enjoy it. It's a little more family friendly kind of, but it's short, but it'll be fine. Enjoy it, and then you get to part 3 and you'll really enjoy that one. Flamingo Waterpark Kissimmee, Florida is now Ramada. Let's go look at it. Alright guys, so we got the king suite. So we got a comfy chair. It's kind of comfy. Kind of, the footstool kind of messes up. Ooh, I like that comforter. And, oh, bed's comfy. Pillow's stiff as heck. Like, I don't know if you can tell. They didn't collapse at all. TV. Don't work. You got a safe and a fridge. Fridge works. You got a microwave and coffee. Oh, man. So, yeah. It's got a real coffee pot. I'm a fan of a real coffee pot. It just takes the day. I mean, like, if you have a whole pot of coffee brewing, you just feel happy. You got your good towels. And shower. Shampoo, soap, conditioner. And you get a water park. We got a game room. There's an activities room. They just got a treadmill. Note to self, I should have chosen better footwear. I mean, it's only a mile up there. Okay, 0.7, but you gotta like, to Uber, it's like a mile because they go up and back and then back and, yeah. Well, let me tell you what, this Ramada bed is comfy. This comforter is awesome. I do have a problem though. T-minus, I don't know, 20 minutes? Yeah. The coffee pot ain't coffeeing. So we're gonna have to get up and get moving soon. You know, the bed, comfy, blanket, comfy, pillows, comfy. Yeah. Towels, great. Yeah.
Chest comfy.
Still making. That's what I got. We're going back to the other. Get outside way.